on the Bengals. Beautiful poem. Two poems I have read which are written specially on the Bengal. One is written by Sarojini Naidu. She has written in English. Got it, no? So that poem also will tell you how the Bengal. When I was a small boy, I used to take that kaleidoscope and look at the pieces of the Bengal. So this whole place was known for the kasar. Got it, no? So there was a kasar vado. Why the kasar vado? You can see the copper that was coming from Rajasthan, copper that was coming from Karnataka was passing through this route. Now no one will believe that this was the most important village during the ancient period. Got it, no? So this village actually has the total area of 735.30 hectare. Got it, no? 735.30. So this is one of the beautiful village, and till 1970 this was the village which was a part of the Sattari Taluka. When Pratap Singh Rane contested his first election, so this was the part of the Sattari constituency. Got it, no? So afterward, government issued the notification in 1971, wherein 3 villages were transferred to Bicholi. One, Maulinge and Kurchire. Got it, no? So Maulinge, when you say Maulinge is not the only village specific in this area. There are 2 Maulinge. Got it, no? One is in Sakhri, that is South Maulinge. This is South Maulinge, and what is there in Sakhri is a North Maulinge. Got it, no? Today we call it is a Maulang Third, Gav Third. So all these are the part and parcel of the North Maulinge. Got it, no? So 2 Maulinge in Bicholi Taluka. Then one more Maulinge is in Sange Taluka. Got it, no? It was also known during the olden time. Got it, no? Because if you go to Uge, no? Uge is the border of the Kadamba province. Got it, no? That province was during the olden time was known as Hemad Barse. The Hemad Barse's last village was in Uge. And after Uge, no, all area were included into Ashtagra, today what you call Sange Taluka. But today's Dharbandoda Taluka is till the Kule. Got it, no? Kale and whole area comes in the Sange Taluka. So in Sange Taluka, when you are going in the direction of the Madras Presidency, got it, no? The road that was connecting Madras Presidency to the Portuguese Goa was called as Digighat. So this Digighat was passing through a village called Juna, and no one knows that Junagadh is also there in Goa. So when I climbed on the top of the Junagadh, no, and I told my all volunteers I'm on the Junagadh, so they started asking me, Junagadh is in Gujarat, no? When you go to the Gir, you passes through the Junagadh. So Junagadh is also there. If you see the Junagadh, no, the prehistoric settlement, lot of scope is there in Goa for the archaeologists. My whole life, if I am going to spend, it is very difficult to unearth a small place called 3,702 square kilometers Goa. So beyond my capacity. So that is why I want to share this knowledge. So you can start, you can discover. Got it, no? So this village is situated where one side the 3 villages of Maharashtra are there. Got it, no? So one is, you can see the village called Ambadgaon is there. Then near to Ambadgaon, Matne is there. And then Matne, the nearest another important village is Ain, but little distance is there. Got it, no? Porien is there. But this village is situated, if you see the border of this village border shares with the Bicholim Talukas, Bodde, municipal area, Bodde. Got it, no? Then this side, if you see, it shares the border with the Latam Basin. where Indo-Arya unit is there. From Indo-Arya, you can see the whole plateau that goes in the direction of the Latambarsi. Latambarsi is the biggest village of the Bicholim Taluka. Then Kurcheri is another village, and here you can see the one is there. Got it, no? So different villages are there. So this place is situated in a very beautiful area. Got it, no? And earlier, no, this place was filled with the forest. Understood, no? So there is one beautiful folk song. एक मावळींग पिकलले पिकलले गवळ्या दादान जिकलले जिकलले गवळी दादा चोर चोर आम्ही खेटा मोर मोर मोराच्या तकले दुटुले आम्ही बहिणी खेटुले. So Mawling, you know, is a citric fruit. So once upon a time, this was the village which was known for this fruit. Got it, no? So that is the reason why this village got the name Mawling.